Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get purple hearts on Instagram story. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your app store and then just make sure to update the application. So just search for Instagram and tap on the update to update or to ensure that we get the purple hearts on IG story. Now once it's updated, just tap on open to open the application and then tap on that blue plus icon at the top, and then from here just pick any picture or video. Once done, just tap on the sticker at the top, and from here just search for purple hearts. So we're just going to search for that, hearts, and from here you can then choose any purple hearts that you want to add to your IG story. So in my case, I'll just add this one from the top, and then you can then arrange it however you like, just like that. You can also add more if you want, and that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.